Imagine feeling depressed, anxious, stressed out, having trouble sleeping, and having a poor immune system. These are some of the common symptoms associated with low GABA levels. Not only are there several studies linking low GABA levels to all of the above symptoms, but a deficiency in GABA may also lead to many other problems. Because GABA is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter, it helps keep you calm, and it puts the brakes on brain activity when needed. Research indicates that a deficiency in GABA may lead to hypertension, atherosclerosis, motion sickness, digestive disorders, ADHD, epileptic seizures, panic disorders, Tourette's syndrome, bronchitis, and low growth hormone levels. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it could be worthwhile to investigate whether you have a deficiency in GABA levels. You can take our online neurotransmitter test to get an indication. A link is included in this lesson's resource sheet. Deficiency or not, the tips included in the lessons of this section may help you increase your GABA levels and thus your well-being.